Listen, there comes a time when you've got to vanish, not because you're lost, but because you're ready to rebuild. You've been showing up for everyone else, posting, talking, proving, but deep down, you know it's time to fall back, not to quit, but to become. The spotlight doesn't grow you, the grind behind the curtain does. This world rewards results, not routines. And behind every breakthrough, isolation, silence, sweat. So shut the door, cut the noise, let them think you're gone. While they're wondering where you are, you're sharpening the vision, you're creating in the dark, and when you come back, they won't recognize you, and that's the goal. People might call it hiding, but it's not. It's preparing. You don't level up by staying available. You don't evolve by keeping up with the crowd. Growth demands distance. Transformation needs tension and clarity that only shows up in the quiet. You can't chase your future and babysit your past at the same time. You gotta choose. New level, new mindset, new identity. You gotta cut ties with distractions, build boundaries, reject comfort. Disappearance isn't a setback. It's a setup for your comeback. See, people confuse silence with surrender, but real ones know the most dangerous person in the room is the one you don't hear. While others are talking, you're working. While they post, you plan. While they celebrate too soon, you build what lasts. Ever see what happens before a butterfly takes flight? Complete isolation, wrapped in a dark, quiet cocoon. No spotlight, no applause, just process. That's where the magic happens. You can't be born anew without letting part of you die. You've got to be willing to go dark so you can come back shining. You've got to unplug from everything and everyone that doesn't align with the future you're chasing, because you can't find clarity in chaos. You can't hear your purpose over all that noise. When you step back, you're not running away. You're running within. You're facing the truth you've been avoiding. And yeah, it's uncomfortable. But that's where the real work begins. In that stillness, you meet the version of yourself that's been waiting to be unlocked. Let the world keep scrolling. Let them wonder. Let them assume. Because when you reappear, it won't be for attention. It'll be for impact. No explanations, no announcements, just results, just energy, just presence. Disappearing isn't about becoming less, it's about becoming more. Quiet isn't weakness, it's wisdom. Real transformation doesn't need a witness. And the ones who understand this, they're the ones who win in silence and rise when it counts. You don't need to be seen right now. You need to be solid, rooted, disciplined, focused, like your life depends on it, because it does. That mission you've been dreaming about, it requires all of you. Not half effort, not convenience, obsession, precision, vision. Let your silence speak louder than your words ever could. Let your results echo louder than your presence. When people ask, what happened to you? Smile. Because you happened to yourself. You stopped waiting. You stopped hoping. You locked in. And when the moment comes, and it will, you'll be ready. Not because you were seen, but because you built in the unseen.